Absolutely stunning, isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Hi guys, welcome back to Articulate. As you guys know that recently a lot of places is given a stay-at-home order. So that's similar to myself. I have been around for almost more than a month, staying at home and doing some 3D printing. As you know that I do review a lot of toys, but recently I have done a lot of 3D printing, as you can see here. And without further ado, let me introduce you what I'm doing at this stay-at-home order, and here it goes. Firstly, I would like to introduce my 3D printer. This is what I use, Flash Forge Adventurer 3. It does comes with this little bit of flexible platform. You can bend this once 3D printed. You can pull this out and bend it, no problem at all. It does have a sensor inside, so you don't need to tune this extruder to the build platform. So everything is done automatically. All you need to do is just insert a piece of paper. And today the reason why I want to show you this 3D printer is because I did a lot of stuff. As you can see here, this is the ongoing stuff that I'm doing. I will be telling you what is it. You may want to guess what is this. It is a 1/6 scale, actually a 1/6 scale statue that I have been building. But what I'm going to show you is some of my stuff that I have printed out. This is the life-size prop for the Luke Skywalker lightsaber. Very nice. I quite like it, but there is some issues with the printing on all these circular pieces, so I may need to reprint some of the parts. Nevertheless, the overall look is very nice. Look at that, absolutely stunning. You can actually use this as cosplay prop. Very nice. Second, what I have here is a sabretooth. This is the sabretooth 3D printed, very detailed. As you can see the front tooth is protruding out very nicely. I got this from Thingiverse, I believe, which is very nice. I quite like this type of 3D printed objects. It's nice to actually put this at home for display purpose. And of course, at the back here I have 3D model. I have tried 3D modeling myself. This is sort of like 6-inch action figure diorama. As you can see here, this is actually printed in separate parts, so I need to insert it in after 3D printed the eagle head. And once it's done, you can put a 6-inch figure on top to have a nicer display. Generally, this looks very nice. And over here I have the T-Rex. Very detailed. Look at that. I really like this model. I did not print it very huge. It's just a nice scale that I have. As you can see, all the teeth are very well replicated here. The skeleton, the head, skeleton of the head of T-Rex is very visage. Very impressive. Look at that. So this is So these are some of the stuff that I have been doing over the past few months. Of course, this one is the new one. I will be completing very soon. And guess what? I have another one over here. If you are familiar with power loader, this is the one that I have been working on. It's almost there. So once it's done, I will paint it and show you guys how it looks. And lastly, just now you have seen all these parts over here. You may be wondering what is this. So maybe I give you a clue. And here it is. This is the bottom part. So if you know what it is, let me know down the comments. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until then, Articulate signing off. Remember to share, subscribe, and spread love. See you guys next time.